This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use less data in the Zoom app. First, you can significantly reduce data consumption by adjusting your video quality. Opt for standard definition over high definition. Also, remember to turn off your camera when you're not speaking. This simple action can save a substantial amount of data. Finally, if possible, use a wired internet connection for a more stable and efficient data flow. Let's dive deeper into optimizing your Zoom settings. A key step is to disable the HD video option in your app's preferences. This alone can cut data usage by up to 50%. Furthermore, be mindful of screen sharing. Only share your screen when absolutely essential and stop sharing immediately afterward. Muting your microphone when not speaking also contributes to overall data reduction, even if it's a smaller amount. Your network environment plays a crucial role in data consumption. Before joining a Zoom call, close any other applications running in the background that might be using a lot of bandwidth, like streaming services or large downloads. Always prioritize connecting to a stable Wi-Fi network over cellular data. A strong Wi-Fi connection is generally more efficient and less prone to data spikes, helping you conserve your mobile data plan. To summarize and ensure you're always saving data, prioritize audio over video when possible, especially in large meetings. Consider downloading any shared documents or presentations beforehand, rather than viewing them live during the call. Finally, encourage other participants to adopt these data-saving habits. Collective effort can lead to a smoother experience for everyone, potentially reducing overall data usage by several hundred megabytes per hour.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.